Finding the right broker is often very challenging. You've got to look at licenses, you've got to look at what assets they can trade. There's many different aspects for a broker that can be suited to you. That's why today we're going to be talking about Puprime as well as Tickmill and really deciding which one is better overall. This isn't financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So first, let's start with the powerhouse that is Puprime. We can see here that they have a fantastic website, which is a great indication in terms of criteria, in terms of quality when it comes to a broker. We can see here they have over 1,000 trading products, multiple regulatory licenses, and we'll touch on licenses in a minute because that's really the end-all comparison between these two. And they have 24/7 customer support. They also support up to 200 countries, which is more than the competitor we're about to explain about. But we can also see they have over 300,000 active clients. This is massive, and this is why Puprime are doing fantastically at the moment, because they just offer a great product and they just let you get it done when it comes to trading, when it comes to doing it fast, when it comes to doing it cheap. These guys are really on the ball. As you can see, just an example of some of the offers and spreads that they do have here. We have gold, right, with a spread of 0.9, and they have the prices up here as well as the price change, and that would obviously be in the category of metals, right? We also have oil, we also have stocks, we also have Forex. So really anything you want to trade here, guys, these guys will offer it. And that is why Puprime is really at the top of the list right now. When it comes to payouts and payments, we can see that they do offer a wide range. Obviously, everything that you need here, whether it's Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, or even a bank transfer, these guys do cater to that. And that is fantastic. They also let you get started with a demo account, which is great. So if you are interested in Puprime, definitely check it out in the description. But without further ado, let's get in to Tickmill and see if it's better. We can see here with Tickmill that yes, they are a broker. I would say slightly less clean website, which isn't the best indication for a broker, but I will say that they do offer a lot of different assets, including crypto, which can be okay. I think crypto, a lot of the time in brokers' minds, the spreads are just way too high. So I can see that's why Puprime don't offer this and these guys do. But I will say the fact that they do is okay, I guess, if it's a long-term investment. But we can see that these guys do offer pretty much everything in terms of assets, and you can see that the key features here are advanced pending orders, superior analysis tools, fully customizational charts, and a built-in economic calendar. That's pretty good, and I will say that yeah, I mean, this is an okay broker if you are looking for one, but for the reasons I'm about to talk about, I would pick Puprime over this. So if we are looking at Puprime, we should take a look at their regulatory stuff, which is nowhere to be found. So both of these are very, very decent brokers, but the reason why I think Puprime is better is based on the regulations. Now, these guys are actually regulated by the Financial Services Authority in the Seychelles, or the FCA, and that just allows them to have high leverage. It allows them to really cater to different traders that maybe want to take on more risk, traders that maybe are a little bit more diverse in their strategies, and that is good from Puprime. If we look at Tickmill, though, they're actually regulated in the UK by the Financial Conduct Authority, or the FCA. This actually isn't as good as the Seychelles, and the reason for that is it's a lot stricter. You're going to be limited to low leverage, and even if you do have this one as well as other different licenses, this one is going to restrict you basically worldwide from that point. So yes, getting this license can be good if you want to sell to UK people, but again, you're going to have massive restrictions on the leverage you can offer, on the different varieties of strategies you allow people to conduct. When it comes to Puprime, these guys are just an open book, right? So you can use high leverage, you can actually have this way more accessible wherever you are in the world. These guys just offer a lot more diversity for different traders globally with this FCA license. So with this broader approach from Puprime, they're really just focusing on the client rather than the governments. They've got their license can cater worldwide. That is why I think Puprime is on top here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but that was the comparison between Puprime and Tickmill. I will say the Tickmill is an okay broker, all right, but Puprime is just so far ahead. I mean, just look at the website. It's just way more clean. They have just better products overall, multiple licenses, thousands of trading products, a fantastic app that you can use as well. This just puts them way further ahead in terms of a broker. So definitely check those guys out in the description. But that is going to be it from me. Overall, yes, Puprime versus Tickmill. I am going to give it to Puprime, but maybe there is going to be a contender in the future that does beat Puprime. All right. But that's going to be it for this video. Have a fantastic day. Drop a like on it, and I will see you in the next one.